Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. Yesterday I received my second voxbox from Influenster, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. This is the box that came in the mail. My first time receiving a voxbox, I got one product. It was full size. It was a smaller box. So I guess since I did everything they asked me to do, now I got 4 products. And it's all full size also. This is a free box from Influenster. So if you want to receive new free and great makeup, just sign up with my link down below and you can start receiving full size products. So let's see what I got. Alright, this one is the Untitled voxbox, which is awesome. I'm so excited. When I got the email that I was in it, I was like, ah. So I'm just going to read off what this card says is inside the box. We have Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. And it's normally priced at 29 bucks. That is awesome. It says that it wears up to 12 hours. So that's cool. I'm going to surely test that out today. I wore it yesterday. I didn't wear it for that long and it did last a long time. Let's see. Next I have Becca Cosmetics Be a Light palette. It goes for 38 bucks. It's awesome. It's available in 2 colors. We got light to medium and medium to deep. I have the medium to deep. I'm going to show you that. And let's see. Next we have Saturday Skin Waterfall Glossier Water Cream, and that goes for 39 bucks. That is a moisturizer. Next I have LaVanilla, the Healthy Deodorant Sport. That goes for 14 bucks. So that is awesome. Alright, so now I'm going to show you all the products that's in there. Let's see. So first is the Lower Mercier. This is the color stick. I have it in rose gold. I love that color, so that's exciting. So I did have it on yesterday. I really liked it. I used it also as a highlight, and I did like put it on top of my nose. I don't know if I did my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do that today. So yeah, it's you can use it for anything. Well, what I do at least. But yeah, let me show you the color. Here's the color. It's nice. Let's see. Yeah, it could blend really good, so that's really good. Yeah, blend it out nicely. It's cute. I always want to try a color stick for my eyelids because, you know, I really don't wear eye makeup, like eyeshadow, so we'll see how this turns out. We'll try it. This is the moisturizer from Saturday Skin. It is very pretty packaging. I love it. Okay, and this is the consistency. It's nice. So I did wear this yesterday. It feels very good on my skin. I probably use this to go to sleep. Or before I put on my makeup. It did leave me with a sticky residue, felt like, but I know some moisturizers does that. But I think that would be good for like when you wear makeup, you know, it helps the makeup stick to you, I suppose. So yeah. Alright, this is the Healthy Deodorant. I wore this last night. It smells great. I love that you can roll up and it rolls down. That is cool. I really like it, and I really love healthy deodorant with no alumina or parabens. And it did last me throughout the whole night, so that's good. You know, it gets hot in my room. And this is the Becca Cosmetics Be a Light palette, and this is medium to deep again. So right here is the brightening powder. Here is the blur powder. Here it says use all over your face to brighten and boost radiance. And this one says use all over your face to blur imperfections. And then up here, I have blush. And here is the contour. So when I tried it out yesterday, I did put this all over my face, but it's a little bright, so I just used it as, you know, under my eye to brighten, and you know, like here and here. So I used that there and it worked out really good. It's so pretty. And then I did put the blur powder all over my face and it was so great. I loved it. And the blush is cute, and the contour for my skin tone is like, yeah, it blends in with me, so I can use that like to set my makeup if I want to, or something like that. But yeah, I love it so far. It says be fearless up here, if you can see it. It's cute. The mirror is so pretty and the packaging is gorgeous. So that's all the products, and like I'm gonna do my makeup like I normally do. I'm gonna start out with my foundation. No, not my foundation. I'm gonna put in some primer. I got this with my Ipsy bag, the Pore Professional. I really like it. This is nice. It don't leave me with a white residue like my other primer I had. So I really like this. It is so soft. Makes your skin really soft. I love it. Alright, I'm sorry about that. My camera wasn't recording when I thought it was. But I just applied my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I'm in color 112. So you can see the difference. You know, I just blended it out. Like I was saying, this has a red undertone. I use this as my summer shade because I do get dark. But I believe I have a yellow undertone. So let me know what you think. I am not a makeup pro. I just, you know, go with the flow, whatever I do. I watch a lot of makeup videos and that's how I learn. So yeah, I really love this. And I love the matte finish. It looks smooth and nice. Right, next I was saying that I'm about to go to my eyebrows. Powder right here, and I'm going to just brighten under my eyes, my bridge of my nose, my chin, you know, all the normal places you would put like a highlighter. I'm just going to brighten them up before I do a highlighter on them. So I'm going to take the end of my sponge and I'm going to apply it. And I am, you know, using this in replace of my concealer. I can't find my concealer. You know, if you want to use concealer with this, you can use this to set your concealer. That's what I would do. I like it. And my under eye looks super. Oh, what is my eyeball? Looks super smooth. Alright, and like it looks great. It's a nice finish. You know, it looks like I got setting powder on, so this is so cool. I love it. Okay, so I do have a contour, but this contour is not dark enough for me. This actually matched my skin tone, so I'll just use this to set, you know, my foundation. Then I will use the blurring powder after that, because it's supposed to blur the imperfections and give you a nice finish. And then I do have blush. So I'm gonna do my contour real quick with some dark foundation that I have. And I'm going to set my foundation. Do the blur in. I'm gonna put that almost everywhere. It looks great. I love it. It looks like I have an airbrush face. Can't you see? Gorgeousness. This blurring stuff is the bomb. I love it. Everything on here is great. Okay, so I can do the blush. The blush right here is so cute. See, got some. Oh, look at that. It's like rosy. And it's, oh, you see the shine? Someone tell me, what do you do first? Do you do lashes or your eyeshadow first? I think you're supposed to do your eyeshadow. I'm trying to think about videos I watch. I don't know. But I do have the rose gold color stick. So I'm gonna, you know, do this. It says put it all over. I don't know. Do it all first. Oh, look at this blush. You, I can see my teeth. I am not an eyeshadow person. I do not know what I'm doing. It's not all over my lid. I think I'm supposed to go a little higher, but I'm scared that I'm not gonna make it neat. So I'm gonna keep it like this, and then I'm gonna do my lashes and then put my eyeliner on. So I got these lashes. I forgot what's the place called. It's like Miss a Shop. The shop where everything is $1. And I love them. These dollar lashes are, you know, the bomb. I like them. They're nice and long. And it's super thin, so that is good. You know, the band is thin, so you can't tell you got it on. With my glue. You know, I'm not a pro putting on lashes either. I need to learn, you know. But yeah, here they are. Cute. I'm gonna take some more of my color stick and I'll put it like in the middle, you know, just to spruce it up. Put it in my tear duct. There we go. That's cute. I like doing that. I forgot I do want to use my blush. Put some as a highlighter. Right now I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm still trying to be used to wearing lipstick. And I'm just put a gloss on. Let's see if I might do that. Oh, you know, I forgot. This eyeliner I got from my Etsy bag. I love it. You know, it's so great. I love the blackness of it, and it's so easy to put on. I have it. The finished makeup look. This is a braid out I did with two braids, two single braids. I can't French braid. But yeah, I love all my products from my voxbox, the flaunted voxbox. So make sure you definitely sign up. Go sign up. If you didn't sign up last time for my last video, sign up now so you can get the next box. I love this Light palette. It's gorgeous. Everything on my face looked nice. It brought my makeup together really well. It made everything look better. This moisturizer is great. I love it. It didn't break me out when I used it last night. It's a water cream and it's definitely light and everything. I love my color stick in rose gold. You see it's on my eyelids. Just made it pop. And I love this deodorant. I'm wearing it right now. You know, it didn't wear off or anything. I wore it throughout all last night. And it's just great. I love everything in my voxbox. You should definitely check it out. Hope you like this makeup tutorial. It's pretty simple. I'm no, you know, makeup guru or anything. But I love how it turns out. See ya.